Alright, YouTubers, it is beautiful out here. This is the start of my pumpkin YouTubing journey. Been meaning to do this for a while, but I'm doing it now. Anyway, I'm actually sweating in my RMGBG shirt and shorts. Don't look up there. But it's going to get really cold and possibly a lot of snow, so I'm prepping the pumpkins. I gotta switch sides. Forgive me. I don't know how to do that. Anyway, I'll turn the camera on. So I got lights in here, heat lamps. I just ran to the hardware store. I got an old pot warmer pad. And I got my watermelons in this little hut. Got a little fan, circulate the air. Hopefully it'll keep it nice and toasty. And then back over here, I got Mr. Watermelon. Mr. Watermelon also has this little crappy heater, which keeps tripping my GFI. And I got a fan because the fan in that doesn't work very well. And there's my lovely pumpkin. It's doing really well, actually. But I'm down to one pumpkin. So anyway, gonna have to get those heaters going and cover these guys up. I'm gonna put blankets over the top. Interesting here, my soil temperature is 75. We shall see what it is after these next 2 days of below freezing nights in the 20s. On the other side of the yard, I got other stuff they gotta keep warm as well. So anyway, thanks y'all. Fingers crossed. I think we'll be fine as long as I don't trip the breakers. Friends, we're back on the other side of the yard, and you can see the bees are all bearded up. I swear they're gonna swarm here soon. This may just be because it's hot. They do this when it's hot to stay. It's too hot in the house, so they stay on the front porch. But you can see I got a huge hive here. But even still, they're jam-packed, so I'm quite sure they're going to swarm. But not tomorrow or the next day. They're going to have to go inside in the night and stay in there for a few days. Too cold. But anyway, show you what's going on over here. I got I dug up this whole area. It's still a mess, but it was full of roots and rocks and weed block. But I got it all dug out. And this is where I'm gonna branch there. This is where I'm gonna plant my tall sunflowers, because it's a very shady spot, as you can see. But anyway, plus I had a little extra room, so I got a bushel gourd there, watermelon, and another bushel gourd, which I've never grown a bushel gourd before. But anyway, I got to keep these warm, so I found these drawers in a storage bin, and I got this little heater from my brewing supplies to keep the fermenter warm. I also use those as seed heating mats, which work really well. But you gotta put them on a temperature controller. And that one, I got my shop light from the garage and a tote I found. I'm going to cover them with these rags, towels, and then put garbage bags over them so that the rags don't get all wet and work as good insulation against the mid to low 20s we're going to have the next few days. So, but it's beautiful now. But this is Colorado for you. Anyway, thanks for watching. Oh, you want some roots?